Welcome to OneCloud CX's System Administration series. Today we will go over SMS and text basics. To get started, navigate to your bright pattern tenant under the Admin portal, and under the Configurations tab, we'll find Scenarios. And since we consider SMS chat, we will navigate to this little chat area right here. Once you're here, you will click this Add Scenario button and enter the Scenario Builder. This is your canvas to build whatever your business needs for a great customer interaction with your agents, whether it's SMS or web chat, using these functions on the left pane over here. For this demo though, we are going to create a simple call flow that will prompt a user with a thank you for contacting us, a find agent, a screen pop, a connect chat, and then an exit to finish the interaction. So let's go ahead and build that. We will find our send message and have our message be thank you for reaching out. Once we send the interaction, we will go ahead and find an agent. Using the skills rating, we will go ahead and wait for within 300 seconds. Find someone who is from a skill group, the skill group being services, and they have a skill of 20% or higher in that service. Now once we do that, we will go ahead and start our initial message, which will be we are now connecting you to an agent. Or, if there is no agent available, we'll send a periodic message which is no agents are available, please continue to hold. And have that periodic message repeat about every 60 seconds. Once we do that, we will now screen pop, which can display anything you needed to from a CRM or to a web page. In this case, we will have our screen pop show with an answer, and I'll display the OneCloud website. Once you do that, we will finally connect to our agent. And for this demo, we can leave these blank or as none. And exit. Now we will save it. We'll name this one as OC Demo Video. Now that we've created our SMS scenario, we will now go back to our admin page and under our directory, select our access number. In this case, since we're modifying our SMS, we're now going to have this scenario go towards the new one we just created, which is SMS Demo Video, and apply that. We'll come to our agent desktop. Let's start an interaction. Using my phone on the right, let's say hi, I'd like to speak to an agent. Before saying that put our agent into a ready state, I'll send the message and it will show the automated message that says thank you for reaching out. And we will accept interaction. Now it'll display the OneCloud webpage that we screen popped. And that concludes creating a SMS and bound interaction. Thank you for joining us on this training. For more information and trainings on our product, visit us at support.onecloud.com, and we'll see you in the next series.